missiles contain nuclear warheads. The exact locations of where these missiles will impact are unknown, but it has been confirmed that the United States and Canada are the main targets of these attacks. At this time, all residents in the continental United States are to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. All residents who do not seek shelter will be killed upon impact. Nuclear war is imminent. Act quickly to protect your life. These missiles are expected to impact within 10 to 15 minutes. Gather 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the fallout shelter. The President, along with his representatives and immediate family, are being transported to a fallout shelter in a classified location and will be speaking on the air shortly. Please stand by.
My fellow Americans, unfortunately the worst has come to pass. We have been attacked with nuclear weapons. While this is an extremely traumatic blow, I can guarantee you that we will rise up from this. We never lose hope. Even if there's a worldwide nuclear war or an asteroid that hits the Earth, we will still rise up stronger than ever before. We will never give up. Do not lose hope. Never lose hope. I know it may seem very dark right now, but trust me, it'll get much, much brighter. We will rebuild, we will recover, and we will rise up. That being said, please proceed to the nearest fallout shelter for your survival and your safety. America cannot live on without you. Thank you.
Confirmed nuclear strikes in the following locations: Bridgeport, Connecticut; Ocean City, New Jersey; Raleigh, North Carolina; Richmond, Virginia. It has been noted that the missiles have begun to impact the East Coast, and more will impact the central and western United States very shortly. If you have not already sought a fallout shelter, do so now.